Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to use the Aqua-Nile Timesheet Staff Portal. This online software system is designed to help engineering consultancy offices, organizations, and universities easily manage daily work reporting. My name is Mesfin Hagos Tewolde, and I developed this system to make administrative tasks easier and help organizations maintain accurate, real-time work records. On the admin dashboard, you have access to several important features. These include Dashboard for the overall overview, Daily Entry, where staff enter their work details, Monthly Report, where reports are generated, Manage Users, where you can add or manage staff accounts. Admins have full control and can manage all users in the system. As an admin, you can also add new users. To do this, click on Manage Users. Then enter their details like name, email, and job position. Once registered, the user can access the timesheet system and start entering their daily reports. Now let's look at what a staff member can do. Once logged in, the staff member will only have access to certain features. The most important one is the Daily Entry page. Here, they'll record details like the date of work, project name, hours worked, tasks completed, problems faced, any support needed from management. As the staff member, you will fill in the daily entry form with details like the time you started and finished work, the project you worked on, the total hours, and the description of what you accomplished. You can also mention any issues you faced and specify if you need support from management. Once you submit the report, it becomes locked. This means no further changes can be made to the report, ensuring accuracy. However, if there's a mistake, only an admin can unlock the report for corrections. One of the key features of this system is that it prevents you from submitting duplicate reports or reporting for the future. If you try to submit a report for a day you've already reported, or try to report ahead of time, the system will block it. This ensures that all reports are accurate and based on real-time work. Another useful feature is time and location tracking. When you generate a report, it shows the time in both Ethiopian time and local time, helping to add clarity about where and when the report was generated. This is a valuable tool for keeping track of work done in different locations and time zones. At the end of the month, you can generate a monthly report. This includes all the daily entries for that month, allowing you to see the total hours worked, the projects you've been involved in, and any challenges faced. It's a complete overview of your work, and it can be printed for management, finance, or record keeping. Within the system, you also have access to important documents such as procurement materials, design references, and previous project records. These resources are readily available for staff to download and reference as needed. To maintain security, users can change their passwords at any time through the Change Password section. Admins also have the ability to manage user accounts, ensuring that access is secure and appropriate for each role. This system is a game changer for consultancy offices, universities, and any organization looking to improve efficiency and transparency. With this system, managers no longer need to question their staff about what they're working on. Everything is recorded daily, providing clear, reliable data for decision-making. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use the Aqua-Nile Timesheet Staff Portal. If you want to implement this system in your consultancy or organization, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help you streamline your reporting process and improve your workplace efficiency.